Magandang araw sa inyo mga bata. For this day, we are going to study about language. But before we begin to study about the letter and language that we are going to learn this day, you have to listen first to a short story. Makikinig ka muna sa maiksing kwento para malaman mo kung ano ang letter na pag-aaralan natin this day sa ating language or English subject. This is the story. The story is about Sally. Sally, the street sweeper. Can you say it again with me? Sally, the street sweeper. Very good. Now, let's listen to the story. Sally is a street sweeper. What is the job of Sally? Sally is a street sweeper. Siya ay nagwawalis sa kalsada. She sweeps along Santan Street. Where does Sally sweeps? Saan daw nagwawalis si Sally? She sweeps along Santan Street. Can you say it again with me? Santan Street. Sometimes, she sweeps around the seesaw and swing. Where does she sweep sometimes? Saan daw nagwawalis magkaminsan si Sally? She sweeps around the seesaw and swing. Can you say it again with me? Seesaw and swing. Sally likes spaghetti and sandwiches for snacks. What food Sally likes for snack? Sally likes spaghetti and sandwich. Can you say it again with me? Spaghetti and sandwich. May napansin ka ba? Did you notice something that is in common? Something in common is the sound of letter S. We hear the sound letter S from the name of Sally, and she sweeps along Santan Street, and sometimes she sweeps around seesaw and swing. And Sally loves to eat spaghetti and sandwich. It sounds as S. That sound is called letter S. That sound sounds S, and that is letter S. Now we are going to learn and talk about the sounds of letter S in the beginning. When we say in the beginning, the letter o ang titik ay maririnig. Sa umpisa, isusulat din sa umpisa at babasahin sa umpisa. Beginning. Let us talk about the beginning sounds of letter S, like soap, sun, spaghetti. Do you hear the word with letter S in the beginning? Can you say it again with me? Soap, sun, spaghetti. That is the beginning sound of letter S. And now, let us learn about the ending sound. When we say ending, you will hear and you will write the letter and sounds of S at the end of the word. Sa hulihan mo makikita, sa hulihan mo maririnig, at sa hulihan mo rin isusulat ang letter S. Say it with me. Cross. Nasa hulihan o nasa ending ang S. Another, glass and grass. Say it again with me. Cross, glass, grass. Ending sounds of letter S. And that is letter S.